Hey Norm, how you doing? Okay, let's get to it. Um, okay, Norm, Miller Designs, loading, loading, loading. Here we go. All right, let me just resize a little bit here. Okay, and here is your opening page. All right, folks. So here's what we have. We've got Norm. We've got great, fantastic job. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'm wondering if, and the only reason I'm saying this is because I think this banner area is lacking a little in contrast. I'm wondering if we don't go ahead and try to work some more orange in there. hmm Yeah, I know I said remove the orange before, but I'm wondering now if but it seems like we're lacking a little contrast, just a little bit. I think this piece is just so good. This site is so good. This stuff is so good. Listen, folks, those of you who are watching along, if you watch this video, be prepared to shed a tear or two. It's really an emotional story. And Norm, I said this, and I'm going to say it again. You've got a knack for storytelling that is uncanny. And what I was saying before is if it's just one page, a one frame story like Called It with the babe, or this fantastic video. And folks, watch it. It's good. I shed a tear or two. I'm not going to lie to you. And I'm a dog guy. That's why it's really, really an emotional piece. So, all right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the work itself. So we have work. That's that page that opens, and then each one of these will open up to the work. And I did notice now, I noticed that this is the way that this opens, and you're using parallax scrolling, and that's fine. I think it's fine because what happens here is that you've got this set up, and the way you've got it coded is that the next, okay, when I scroll, I can already see that there's another piece on its way. So see how it does that, where it kind of pops up like that? So that there's no, as you're scrolling through this parallax scrolling, you're not stopping, saying to yourself, I wonder if there's something next to it. You know there is because it's popping up. So that's pretty cool. Good job there. Very good job. Let's say, okay, so there's your work page. Okay, and then we have the about page. And there's my little buddy right there, the little dog. That's the dog from the that's the little dog from the video. Okay, and then we have the blog. Now, folks, Norm placed his branding in the blog. So not only did he brand the whole site according to what he's been working on in this class, but he also created this blog. And in the blog, we come down here and we have, let me see. I want to talk about that in a second, but we have the origins of the branding, okay? Now, Norm, I want it, and everything is right here. So this is it's just nailing all the project requirements. Everything is right here as it needs to be. But I just want to talk about one thing here, and that was the blog. Okay, so, and then we have contact, got your form. Yes, it works. Awesome job. Fantastic. Let's go back to the blog. Okay, so something in this blog needs to say branding. Oh, hi. Pizza, creating my personal branding. Okay, so what I'm saying is that something here, I think on this page, should allude to the robot, should allude to something that the viewer's about to get into. Either that, or I think this image is a fantastic way to pique the viewer's curiosity. Okay, so we have the little headline. Listen, I think this is a mistake. Read more. I really do. I think that you should continue along with this same parallax thing. I'm sorry, this same parallax scrolling. I think that it would make a lot more sense instead of going, oh, read more, because you're risking this right here, that this might not get clicked. And this is telling your story. So what I'm saying is just just go straight to that and forget that other. But what I would say is, as interesting as the pizza is, it's kind of convoluted, Norm. It is, because, I mean, you're asking the viewer to read a lot and do a lot before they get to this is what I'm interested in, and this is what I think your viewer is going to be interested in. I want to know about you. I want to know how you came up with this cool robot, how you came up with your branding, and I want to see this. This is the meat of the matter, and I think it should be presented as such. So that's a little convoluted, and that is really my only comment about the whole is the way you click blog, and then you get to this weird page, and then you go here and you get to the main blog. So this, forget that other click, forget this page, right? Shouldn't we just click blog and go straight to this page? I think so, I really do. And then pull your branding up top, and then after you tell your story, either that or condense this story a little bit, the pizza thing. Because it's, boy, you're scrolling, you're really into this pizza thing by the time we get to your branding, which is the most important thing of the site. Well, in relation to what we're looking for in the requirements for the final project. Okay, hi. Awesome. All right. So fantastic job, Norm. Really, really good. I just have really enjoyed having your presence in class, your creativity, and your hard work and diligence, as well as your eye and your willingness to provide meaningful and caring, thoughtful critique throughout the weeks for your classmates. So great job, great class. Thanks very much, man.